This is the Artificial Intelligent Trader. We look again to the EURUSD. Today it started on top of the PP. It's now going up, so it hit PP. Yesterday it also hit PP. This move I didn't expect, and then it went crazy down. It recovered. So yesterday the day started around here, as you can see. This day started around here, and it recovered until here. I think maybe it will. This is the hourly. I expect also for today a ranging behavior. You can see there's a slight uptrend. I think you can see it in the form. The form is like this. It can go more down, can go down, or it can. So there is some resistance here. You can see that it is easing out. And this easing out has to do, of course, if you look at the weekly, with this point, with the touch of the 129 moving average and the cloud. So this is a double punch. It will be hard to break, but if it breaks, it can rally up. Luckily, there is another moving average that can stop it. So it will, it will bounce against this, and there will again be resistance there. So it looks to be ranging, and I think also if you look at the numbers, there are some numbers coming out. Yesterday was just a spike up, a spike down, up, and saw some spikes, but this is almost the same. So I expect today, if you look at this, probably this will be a ranging period. So today will be ranging, and next week beginning will be ranging. Can be some news because we have the heavy weapons tanks in Europe, so that could influence, that can initiate something, and that can influence the market. For especially the euro can react on that. It's now in line with the dollar, so let's do the advice for today. Advice for today. It will be ranging, or if you are a really careful trader, don't trade. This is not interesting. It is in a little slightly uptrend. It is better to look at another pair that is more clear. You can, of course, always look at if it is breaking this level, that you can go up and hope it will hit the 200 moving average. It can also bounce down. So be careful with positioning. Look good out for your loss stop. That's the advice I can give, and I think I will do. If I look at the chart, my game is these days for prediction is ranging. So I try to find a ranging pattern. I can show you what I'm doing. So I have. Let's make it bigger. So let's make it ranging. This we don't need. Okay, let's show you what I normally do. I look at this chart. I look at the average. This is the maximum height. This is the low. So this is the low, and then I go just puff in the middle, like here. Now I look for alignment to the cloud. Now this is look exactly aligned to the cloud. This is an alignment to the cloud, alignment to a resistance. You have some sticking out. There are here some pivot points. So let's go a little bit more down and align it to the pivot points. We see here. Oh, we see here also a pivot point in R1. Let's do that also there here, and exactly today, this is a coincidence, on the P1 is the middle. So if we look at this, we can expect probably a movement from something like this. So you take some position here, you stay away from this the maximums. So if it hits here, you take a sell, you take your loss cut here. Here you can take a buy, and you take your loss cut here. So you will move. Let me clean it up. So let me make it clear. So what you do is you draw here a line. It's your upper, it's your lower, your loss cut. If it comes here, you go up. So it will be something like this. If it shoots out, you cut out, and then you go up with the movement. I'd expect today, let me look, tonight here at 10:30, I will thinking a movement. If I look at the cloud, it looks to be, if this was the rest of the day, it goes up, this is a good sign. If it goes down, we probably will go a little bit more down. And we think the spike, we don't know, but just be aware of these two max of this range. It can go over it, and if it goes over it, go out and wait until the volatility is gone and re-enter or do something else. Go next week and look what it's doing. So if this hits above these things, which I normally will stop trading, and I only trade between these two maximums. That's it today. Have a nice day.